We're reviewing today from Hyggar the HO 10 UVB 10.0 10 watt LED light to give your lizard lighting. We're going to show you briefly what the light's about and how to place it on your aquarium. Hyggar Zoo HO UVB LED light. We're going to unbox it, show you what you get inside and what it looks like on the lizard's tank. The top cover measures about 12 by 2 inches with 20 plus 5 LEDs. Nice close-up look. Nicely designed. This kit includes 2 wing nuts, 2 clips, 2 washers, 2 bell nuts, 2 bolts, 2 set screws, an AC cord. Setting up, we'll be taking a bolt to the clip, a washer over the bolt, and the wing nut. Placing the clip over and snapping into place. Plugging in a dedicated cable to the side of the lamp with the manual on and off switch. Turning the unit on and turning the unit off. So we're all set up with the HO 10.0 UVB 10 watt LED light. Time to go set to the aquarium and show you what it looks like with the lizard. We have a fabric screen and we're going to place ours on the top like so. So this way the lizard is in its cage sleeping and he has light. You could take the clips, the wing nuts, you slide open your cage and you place your light underneath through the wire mesh and lock down the wire nuts. So here we have our lizard and the light. As you can see, is an excellent light for your cage, your tank, and so you need to have a wired top or just simply hang your light like so. If you're looking for an LED light for your lizard, this HO 10.0 UVB 10.0 light may be something that you are looking for your lizard.